You're good, you're good. Son of a bitch.
Hey guys, we're just going to do a quick trail today. It's Canyon Trail here in Southern California. It's right on the foothills of Idlewild, really close to where we live. Just air down, 23 psi per tire. Should be nice and easy trail according to what I've seen online, but the snow has been melting recently, so we'll see how all that's going to be. We'll see if a stock Ranger Tremor with pretty decent clearance. Actually, I just removed the side steps, as you can see. We'll see if this will do well on easy to moderate trail.
Park right here.
Alright guys, so we made it, I think, about halfway up Canyon Trail here in Idlewild, California. There's this nice little waterfall that develops, I guess, from the rainfall. There's a shallow little puddle. The Tremor had no issues climbing up here. We've been on this trail for, I'd say, 2 hours now, and I think we're about the 9 mile point. The full trail is about 14 miles, so we're about 5 more miles up yonder. Most of the trail was pretty much desert. Right now we're definitely getting a lot more alpine, some pine trees. The weather dropped a good 10 degrees or so. So far it's been a really nice trail. A lot of ups and downs, high clearance. I think is a must. The weather's perfect. And today is a Wednesday, as you can see, so Wednesdays usually are the best days to go any trail because everyone's at work. It's a gorgeous place. Hi, babe. Alright, so I'm just gonna hang out here a little bit, drink some beers, and then probably finish the rest of the trail. The Ranger had no issues. Like again, one thing I did with the Tremor is I took off the side steps. Those things would always catch rocks or whatnot. Quick point, people are filthy animals, man. Look at all this trash out here. This place is beautiful, but you don't need to bring your trash out here. The drive up here is pretty nice, definitely worth it just to get to this spot. I think there's also a few yellow post sites on the way up this mountain. There are little offshoots, a couple that we saw that look like they would be pretty good camp spots. So maybe in the future we'll make a video about dispersed camping or yellow post camping up in this area. Got some big ruts here, guys. Let's see what's up. Good, just go straight, keep going straight. You're straddling it. Keep going. You're good. Just go straight in that line. You're good. Almost got stuck in this little area right here. Not too bad though. Didn't even have to use 4 low. Snow's melting. It's pretty. It's about 5 o'clock here, early January. Weather's beautiful. Having a great time. I think we hit the end of the trail. This is B Canyon Truck Trail. Took us about 3 hours. We went really slow, on average probably about 4 miles an hour. My wife did all the driving. Hi babe, good job. Really proud of her. I think it was worth it. Really easy drive for the most part, just a little bit of muddy rutted areas. Keep in mind our truck has about 10 inches of clearance, so it did pretty good. And we aired down to about 20 psi. Alright guys, so trail's 100% complete. We're on Highway 243. We're about 2 hours from home, so we're heading back and it's already pretty dark. Last stop, definitely don't forget to fill up your tires after you go off-roading. Easy mistake. Alright guys, thanks for watching.